Key value tables are commonly used when working with APIs. As API workflows grow, managing these values individually can slow down testing and debugging process. Bulk edit solves this by allowing multiple entries to be added, updated, or replaced at once. As you can see in my workspace, I am using the Stack Exchange API with multiple query parameter entries. I wanted to update these values. Instead of updating row one by one, we can use the bulk edit option. Let's delete all these entries. Once deleted, key value paired table get updated. You can add entries manually or paste multiple key value, and instantly, table will populate with all the entries. We can use Ctrl+F to find and replace any specific keyword. This action updates the request configuration in a single step. Similarly, we can update the headers as well. This reduces manual effort and minimizes errors when setting up large requests. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.